It is now 4 p.m. on June 5th, Beijing time. Last Friday, we did not give EURUSD new points because we still held its short orders that entered the market at 1.0731 to 1.0795 on Thursday. After issued, the highest was 1.0781 and some orders reached the entry point. Lao Dai reminded to sell when the exchange rate fell to 1.0695 this morning, earning $360 to $860 per lot. The other is gold. In the video last Friday, it was recommended to go long between 1951 to 1940, but the lowest price of gold was only 1961 before 10:53 p.m. In order to prevent market adjustments that occurred on Friday, it is recommended to cancel the pending orders first, watching, not participating. In addition to intraday signals, Lao Dai's master account also combines EA programmatic to superimposed transactions. The account made a profit of $25,300 in May, but the profit is recalculated every month. From June 1st to today, the cumulative profit has been $1,856. Wait until mid-June to see a steadily rising trend chart, and there will be no major fluctuations. The monthly income is stable at 10 to 17%. Of course, the May account can be disclosed to friends who follow us. If you are interested, add the contact information at the top of the screen and ask for the observation password to watch. The password will be changed every week. After getting it, you can see the whole process of real-time operation for a week. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Although the number of non-agricultural employment in the United States increased sharply last Friday, the increase was mainly in low-paying jobs. It was also because more people who had not been working before began to enter the work, which led to the increase in employment. This is a big topic of structural change, not exactly a good sign. At the same time, a big problem in the Eurozone is that inflation is much higher than that in the United States. That is, it needs to continue to raise interest rates to suppress inflation, which will bring some support to the euro. It is recommended to go long below 1.0643 to 1.0580. Put a stop loss at 1.0568 in the day. However, there has been no major change in the fundamentals of gold. The market is still discussing inflation and recession risks. The ability to raise interest rates against inflation will also make banks and companies expose their own problems faster. The Fed is still in a dilemma. It can neither call for interest rate hikes nor call for a rate cut. Whether to raise interest rates in July is still unknown, but the probability of raising interest rates in June will only become smaller and smaller. 1930 to 1923 below the gold is an important support range. If it falls below, there is a risk of testing 1,900. However, the gold price pullback will also cause funds to buy low. It is recommended to do long positions below 1927 to 1960. Put a stop loss at 1914. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Thomas Allen.